It's still cold.
I'm gonna spray Mother Nature.
You're gonna spray Mother Nature because it's still cold?
Yes.
Because you want it to be what out?
Spray water and make on.
And we can't do that until it's nice out, right? Till it's warm.
Yes.
Well, sometimes Mother Nature just has to make it cold, and hopefully soon it'll be warm. Okay.
I'm not gonna spray Mother Nature. That's not nice.
Oh, very good. You're right. It is not nice to spray people, even Mother Nature. That is a good decision, Caiden.
Spray Mother Nature. And after Mother Nature at grandma.
Yeah?
Sometimes.
Oh.
Mother Nature at grandma sometimes. She's gonna be a bad guy. She's gonna be a bad guy.
Mother Nature's a bad guy?
Yes.
No, I think Mother Nature's a good guy. She's a good girl.
Oh. She saves people?
Mm,
She saves people?
sure, she saves people.
Oh. Why she save people?
Well, sometimes when we need it to stop raining and we ask Mother Nature to stop raining, and then she'll stop it from raining. What? What are you thinking about?
I'm looking for Mother Nature to go.
Oh, you're looking for her?
I don't know.
She lives up in the clouds, in the sky.
Why?
Because she lives up above
Oh,
in the sky.
why?
Because that's how she controls whether it rains or snows.
Mother Nature is up in the sky.
Yeah, in the clouds.
Mama.
What?
Mama.
Yes,
She
Caiden.
saved people too.
What?
She saved people too?
Yeah.
Oh. Why she save people?
Because that's a nice thing to do. What?